want you guys to know our goal. Our goal for today is that students can use mathematical tools to help show groups of 10 and some more. Okay, so lately we've been talking about 10 and some more. Who knows how to read this number to me? Who knows? Raise your hand if you know how to read this number to me. Who knows how to read this number to me?
14.
Good! 14. Very good. What's another way to say it? What's one more way to say it that we've been practicing?
Remember?
Remember.
10.
And?
4.
Good. Because we know that the number 14, good job, Kaden, the number 14 is also 10 and 4 more. Okay? All we're doing is adding on 4 more to the 10. But as long as you see that 1 right here, we know we have a group of 10. Always remember that. Okay? Oh, hi, Elila. I could hear you. So can you put your microphone on, sweetheart, so that I can teach you guys a little bit of math? Thank you, Elila. Yeah. 1 for each one. All right, Elila, I'm just waiting for you to put that microphone on, sweetheart. Isabella, make sure you're sitting and paying attention. Okay, I need you to focus, sweetheart. Okay? All right. Hi, Elila. I need you to touch that microphone because I'm recording. Thank you, sweetheart. All right, here we go. So today, boys and girls, we are going to use our 10 frame. Everyone should have something that looks like this from yesterday's unit. 6.5. I told you guys that we didn't need it yesterday, but we will be using it today. So if you have this, awesome. If you don't have this, if you threw it away or don't have it, it's okay, because can we make a 10 frame? Yeah. We all know what a 10 frame is now, huh? Awesome. Kaden has it. Awesome. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Next, I want you guys to cut your little fishy cards. You see your fishy cards? We're going to use those. So make sure you guys cut your fishy cards. So go ahead and start cutting them. Here I go. Cut, open, shut. Open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. Open, shut. Open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. Okay, good job, boys and girls. Keep going, keep cutting, keep cutting. Awesome, cutting. Make sure all your fishy cards are cut. They look just like that. Okay, mine are all done. If you guys are still working on it, it's okay. All right, I know Anastasia's eating something yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so I would love to see, once you guys are done cutting your cards, they look just like this, fishy cards, okay? We're going to show a partner, so point your elbow to someone. Who's next to you? Who's next to you? Say, you're my partner because you're next to me, Tito. Say, you're my partner. Okay? Isabella, who's next to you? Mommy? Say, Mommy, you're my partner. Okay? Anastasia, who's next to you? Mommy? Mommy? Point your elbow. Say, you're my elbow partner. Elbow partners. Kind of like a chicken dance, right? Elbow partners. Point that elbow. Who's next to you? Good. Okay. So that's your elbow partner. I want you to use these cards and I want you to read the numbers to your partner. Okay? Remember, these are 2 ways that we can read these numbers to our partners. 10, because I have a 1, 10 and 3. Awesome! You guys are are my partners because you guys, look, I'm pointing to you guys. Huh? Okay. I have 10 and 9. Okay. I want you to read those cards to your partners. Here I have 10 and 7, or number 17. Okay. So read those cards to your partners. I want you guys to read them. Okay. I'm going to give you about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's 9:31. I'm going to give you until 9:33 to finish cutting those cards and read them to your partner. Read them to your partner. 2 minutes. Okay. You need help? I have 2 minutes.
No, I'm just drawing.
Oh, you're just drawing. Okay.
It's kind of good. I don't care what place.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta put this somewhere else.
It was on the table.
It was on here.
Okay.
That's why I knocked it down.
Oh no.
I don't know if it's good anymore, but
Ah!
it still tastes good?
My straw broke. All right. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay.
That's kind of cool. I like how the Indians have their like hair under their arms.
Uh-huh.
They like put their hair under their arms for their dresses.
It's cute. All right. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Ah! Tornado behind me again. This one just keeps falling on me, huh, guys? It's like it likes to hit me on my head. All right, we should be ready to go. If you guys are still cutting, it's okay. You guys can still hear me, right? Can you still hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can still hear me. Awesome. Thanks, Isabella. Thanks, Anna. And thanks, Kaden. Okay, Lila, I don't see you, but I saw your name, so I know you're there. All right, here we go. So today we are going to use mathematical tools to help us show groups of 10. One of my favorite tools is called the 10 frame. Why is that my favorite tool? Well, let me tell you guys. When you guys go to kindergarten next year, you will be using the 10 frame a lot. Like so much that it's going to become like one of your best friends. Okay? So it's really important that we know how to use it and why it's so important in the math world. Okay? So today we are going to use a 10 frame to show groups of 10 and some more. Okay? We also have our fishy cards, and we're also going to use our 10 frame countdown so we can learn how to count the next number. So the next number, what's after 4? Who can tell me what number comes after 4? Hi, Guile. What's going on, kiddo?
I finished watching.
Yeah, but remember, my rule said 9:50, okay, sweetheart? Because right now I'm doing TK math. Okay, 9:50.
Mom, look.
Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and continue. Sorry, boys and girls. So our next rule, our next number, is what comes after 4? Anna, what number comes after 4? So if I'm 4 years old, how old am I going to be in, when's your birthday? In June, Kaden. How old are you going to be in June?
5.
Good. So the next number after 4 is 5. Good job. So we know that we're 4 years old, right? And then we're going to turn 5. Okay, so that's the next number.
That's called 15.
Good job. That's a 15. Very good, Kaden. Okay, so now we And
15.
yes. Very good, sweetheart. 10 and how many more? 5 more. Good. 10 and 5 make 15. Good job, Kaden. Very good. I'm very impressed. You know these numbers. Very, very good. Okay. So what we're going to do today is I want you guys to show me on this 10 frame how to make the number 15. But remember, boys and girls, the 10 frame only fits how many? How many fit in our 10 frame? Anna, how many fit in our 10 frame, sweetheart? Good. I only fit 10 in my 10 frame. So that means Miss D's going to have to put the rest on the outside because some more are not going to fit inside of my 10 frame. So I want everyone to grab their 10 frame and show me, go ahead and fill it in with 10. It could be 10. I'm going to use little pieces of paper. Everyone see that? Everyone see my little pieces of paper? Awesome. Mariah, can you put your microphone on, please? Okay. So everyone should grab, it could be little pieces of paper like this. See, Miss D's using little pieces of paper. You could also use little erasers. You could use little blocks. Miss D also uses, Miss D loves to use her cubes. Okay. Anything that you have that's small that will fit in here. How about money? Little money. So Miss D grabbed a little, you see that? A little dime. Does it fit in my 10 frames? Yeah, you can use that too. Okay. Anything that you have that's small. I know Blake has little erasers. So if I want to use little erasers, they look like, see? You see these little erasers? So I can use that and put those in my 10 frames. Okay? Anything you want to use. 10 little things. Okay? All right, here we go. So we're going to show, oh, awesome, sweetheart, good. We're going to show 10 and how many more? 5 more. 15, right, Kaden? That was my number. My magic number today is 15. So if Kaden says I have the number 15, I know that I need 10. And how many more? 5 more. So that means you need to fill in the whole 10 frame and then some more. How many more?
10.
10 and
5.
good. So I want you to show me on your 10 frames. 10 and 5. That's what we're practicing today. 10 and 5. So Miss D's gonna, oh, go ahead.
5.
10 and 5. Good. Because 10 and 5 make 10 and 5 is
15.
good job. So show me that on your 10 frame. So here I go. Here goes Miss D. She's gonna first do her 10 frame. Okay. So she needs to put how many in her 10 frame? How many does Miss D have to put in her 10 frame? Oh, someone please help me.
15.
Good.
15.
Good. Someone better help me because if not, Miss D is going to overfill it.
I help.
You helped me. You guys sure helped me. I used little yellow and green, but you guys can use any color you want, anything you want. Just make sure you fill in how many? 10 and?
How do you spell very? It's an orange button.
E-E-R-Y. Come on, kittens.
All right. Did everyone finish their 10 frame? When you guys are done with your 10 frame, make sure that you raise your hand so that I know. All right. So I'm almost done filling in my 10 frame. I think I need 2 more squares. And I know that I'm almost done because I know my 10 frame has how many?
6.
Good. So I know that if I fill up all my 10 frame, I'm going to probably have 10 because I know I don't need to count it because I already know my 10 frame has 10. I don't need to count. Do I need to count? No.
No.
Because we're so smart. We already know that. We're so smart. Okay. So I have 10. 10. Now I need how many more to make 15? All right. Here we go. Ready? Everyone have their 10 frame ready? I'm going to do some more now. Some more. Here we go. Oh, I hear someone's beautiful singing. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So if I have 10, I'm going to add on 5 more to make 15, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 more. Because now I have 10 in my 10 frame and 5 more. That means I know that I have 15. Good job, boys and girls. Very good job. I want everyone to make sure you write on the bottom. There's a little line. Does everyone see that little line down here? Can you see that, or is it too far away? Kaden, can you see the little line under your 10 frame? Thumbs up. Good. Okay, so on that little line, you're going to write 10. Why am I going to write 10, Anna? Why did I write 10 under my 10 frame?
Because it's 10.
Good job, Isabella. Very good, because I know that I have 10. So I wrote 10 under my 10 frame. Now, here I have another line. So on this line, I need to write how many more I added. So remember, how many more did I add to this? Because I wanted to get to this number. So how many more do I have? I have 10 and
5.
good. So I'm going to write that 5 right there. Very good. Good job. Thank you, Isabella.
I said that.
Very good, sweetheart. You are a bright child. Good job.
I am Isabella.
You are very bright. You're so smart. All right. So boys and girls, now we have 10 and 5. Because the easiest way for us to understand that there is 10 and all we're doing is adding on 5 more. So remember, as long as you see that 1, we know that we have how many? 10. Good. And we're only adding 5 more to make the big number, which is number
15.
Very good. Number 15. Very good. So when you guys are done with this, you guys will have additional worksheets that look just like this. I believe this one is 6.6. You guys are working with 10 frames, just like we're doing today. You guys will be working with 10 frames. Okay, 10 frames. Now, TK, you also are practicing your numbers. Today you are practicing writing again. Writing your numbers, rainbow write. Isabella, this is a rainbow write. Don't forget.
Yeah.
This is so much fun because you guys get to do like rainbows. Okay. We're writing all the way to number 15. Okay, because that's our magic number of the day. Okay. And we also have something really fun. This one we didn't get to do it today. If you guys can do it, awesome. If you cannot do it and need further instruction, let me know. We didn't get to this today. So hold on to this because Miss D did not get to do the lesson on this math tool. Okay, but if you can do it, awesome. If you cannot do it, it's okay. All right, so parents, make sure there's a page here. It's called 6.6, and it's called Complete the Rec and Write the Total. We didn't work with those quite yet, so if you don't have it, it is okay. Don't do this one, okay? So all I want you to focus on is 6.6, writing 12 through 15. And using your 10 frames. Okay? All right, TK, you are all set. Go ahead and get started on your classwork. When you guys are, I'll give you about 15 minutes to complete your classwork. 15 minutes. How many minutes?
15.
15. I want you guys to come back at 10 o'clock. What time?
10 o'clock.
Good. Come back at 10 o'clock. If you guys finish early, what can you do? You guys can go a potty break. You can take a snack break. You can jump around and then come back at 10 o'clock. Okay? All right, TK. You are dismissed until 10 o'clock. TK is dismissed until 10 o'clock. Only TK. Only TK. All right, Kinder, you guys stay right there. Okay?
Missy, why is TK dismissed at 10 o'clock?
It's so cute. Because I'm going to do something with Kinder for 10 minutes. And it's only Kinder. Kaden, you can stay here. It's fine. You can stay here, okay? That's fine. You don't have to go nowhere. You can stay. I love to see you anyway, so you don't have to go anywhere.
Is Lee?
All right, we have about three minutes for kindergarten to come back. 3 minutes. So, kindergarten, if you guys have to go to the potty, right now is the time to do it.
I'm going to end it.
Oh, you're ending me. Oh, I'm going to be so sad.